Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to showcase my new Notion template called the Roofline OS, which is a roofing contractor operating system. So this Notion template is a simple to use tool. It's an all-in-one tool which you can use to track different aspects of your roofing business. And let me quickly walk you in this video through what it contains and also how it works. So first of all, as you can see off the bat, there are a couple of charts at the very top of the template, which give you a quick view on things like your unpaid and paid invoices, the number of active jobs that you're currently undertaking, and then also the value of your pipeline. And the template really contains a couple of key pieces. The first simple one is clients and properties. So this is a simple table where you can basically track your customers and assign these very simple parameters like the client type, whether it's homeowner, commercial, roof type, property address, contact details, etc. So this is the kind of first building block is the clients. And when we go back to the template itself, the second big piece is the CRM, or kind of the deal flow or the funnel of opportunities in your business. So we can see here this quick view, which is arranged based on different stages of the funnel. And we really get to the meat of the template here with the particular opportunity. So if I open this, you can see a lot of details that you can track. You can of course decide not to use any of some of these or any of these, but we have the status, we have the job type, we have roof area, we have the client, which links back to the table that I've just shown you. We have target start date, the deal value, also conversion probability. So basically the percentage of how likely is that this customer to or this job to convert into an actual job for your business. And we can also track things like last contact and the days since last contact, which is automatically calculated. So these are the key details to track about each opportunity that you are tracking, and basically once this opportunity converts into an active job, so basically we set the status here to active, this will get moved up to the part of the template which concerns with the actual active roofing jobs. So we can see here that we have 2 active jobs right now, and we also have tasks that we can add to each of these jobs. So if I click this open, you will see that there is this pre-made kind of template with a lot of stuff like pre-job planning, materials, and different checklists. And this is of course fully customizable by yourself, but this is just to get you started. And here you will also see if there is any new task created that is assigned to this particular job, it will be shown here. The tasks themselves are very simple. If I just open one of them, you can see that here we're tracking things like the job that this belongs to, of course, then the job type, the status, of course, of this particular task, and of course the owner or assignee to this task. So this is a simple task tracker. And as I said, with linking these tasks to the jobs, you can also keep track of all the tasks that are related to that particular job. So with that being said, we have the clients, we have the job opportunities, which are tracked here, and then we have, once they convert into an active job, they get moved up here to this section of active roofing jobs. A couple of more things to show you. There are two quick views on this pipeline here, which are all automatically updated. So one of them is the pipeline value, where you can see the list of the jobs that are here in this funnel, but in a different view, and they are ranked by the conversion probability, and also we are calculating the total deal value, but then also the probability adjusted value. So we can have actually a more realistic view on the number that you might be able to realize from your funnel. And the other handy view is kind of like the next steps view. So what you can see here, again, it's the same project, but what we're just showcasing here is the days since last contact. So we can track the jobs that need a follow-up call or email to that customer to see what is happening. And the last piece here is a simple payment tracking, and this obviously won't replace your invoicing system or your accounting system, but this is just so that you can very simply track the payment status of the active jobs, or basically the jobs that are finished. And how you can do it is very simple. If you go to the job detail, you can create a payment item. So basically what you do here is just click add payment item, and this will get created here in your unpaid items with the value, with the number taken from the job detail. And then basically with simple drag and drop, you can sort of move these around to keep track of what has been paid and what is maybe partially unpaid or unpaid. And what's important to say is that this template is, of course, a template by definition. So you might have a bit of a different workflow, or you might need different views. But with Notion, it's very simple to adjust any kind of view or workflow, or add something to this template, or remove something from this template. But in my opinion, this starting point already saves you a lot of time and a lot of hours of work. So with that being said, that is a Roofline OS, a roofing contractor operating system for Notion. If you have any questions or thoughts or ideas or feedback, please don't hesitate to reach out or comment under this video, because your feedback is, of course, super appreciated. And lastly, if you like this template and you would like to use it, you can find the link in the description below. So once again, thank you very much for checking out Roofline OS and this walkthrough, and I hope I see you in the next video. Thank you and have a great one.